Good day, grade 8 students. Welcome to our first lesson in Agricultural and Fishery Arts. Before we begin, think of the food that you ate yesterday, how it is being processed, where did it come from, and who produced it. Most materials and products, including food that we eat, are connected to agricultural and fishery arts. Today, let us learn AFA and why it is important. What is AFA? Agricultural and Fishery Arts is a field of study that focuses on the processing, the management, the production of the agricultural and fishery products. It provides the students, you grade 8 students, the knowledge and skills related to farming, to agricultural activities, to food production, to crop production, and animal production. AFA also develops skills that can help people in entrepreneurship and in our daily life. AFA is important because it supports our economy. It can produce job to the people. Hindi lang siya food production, but it also creates work, job opportunities para sa atin. Nakikita nyo ba yung ating mga parents, nag-work sila, they are working in the farm, in food production, in agricultural activities, or in fishery activities, or even in crop production. It means nagpuproduce ng job opportunities. Students, there are major 4 industries under AFA or Agricultural Fishery Arts. The first one is agriculture, second is fisheries, third is animal production, and fourth is crop production. Pag-usapan natin yung 4 na yun na under AFA, unahin natin ang agriculture. When we say agriculture, it is a science of cultivating soil, farming activity, growing crops, planting, and all agricultural activities that will produce food for our daily living. How about fisheries? When we say fisheries, it involves the raising, the catching, and the processing and marketing of fishes and other aquatic resources. Example for that is the fish farming, like we have the fishing operations, we have the bangos farming, the tilapia farming. The fisheries industries provide an important source of food and income. Pwede tayo magkaroon ng income through these activities, di ba? Pag sinabi natin fisheries, it deals with water resources. How about number 3? It's animal production. What comes to your mind when you hear the word animal production? So pag sinabi naman nating animal production, it is an industry, ulit, pangatlo, that focus on the raising and caring for animals for our food and other products. So example for that is we have the poultry production. Ano ibig sabihin ng poultry production? We have also the swine production, di ba? Yung mga baboyan, yung mga nag-aalaga ng mga baboy. Yung poultry, pag sinabi nating poultry, di ba, yung mga manukan. We have also the goat production, the goat raising, and we have also the cattle raising. Sila yung mga example under animal production. Pag sinabi naman nating animal production, it deals with the animals. Kanina, pag sinabi nating fisheries, diba, it's all about the water resources. Sa animal production, can you give me an example of an animal product? Who can give an example? Example like meat, diba? Yung karne ng baboy, karne ng baka. We have the eggs, yung mga eggs na yan, essential to human nutrition. So those are the example of animal products. Last, we have number 4, we have the crop production. This is a process of growing and managing plants for our food, fiber, medicine, and other products. So can you give me an example of a crop? We have the corn, vegetables, and fruits. Okay? So those are essential to our nutrition. Kailangan natin yon. Kumakain ba kayo niyan? That is number 4 for our crop production. So our farmers use different techniques to produce a better crop makaproduce sila ng food natin. Now, let us recall. Can you still remember the 4 industries under AFA? Can you give me one? The next, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So those are the 4 industries under AFA. So in this lesson, we'll learn that AFA is very important because the food that we eat, the food that we have are the product of animal production, crop production, agricultural, and fisheries. Now, it also contributes to our economy. In what way? Because nakakapag-produce ng mga job opportunities. Like our farmers, di ba? Yung mga farmers natin, under agricultural arts, yung mga farmers natin nagpo-produce sila, nagtatanim sila, and then ibebenta nila, bibilhin, sasaingin natin, at yun yung ating kanin, the rice production or the rice farming. So it is very important. If you think of that, lahat ng mga foods na ating pinapakinabangan ay under AFA, nandoon lahat na papaloob. It's either in the agricultural, in the fisheries, or it's either in crop production and in animal production. From that, nagkakaroon pa rin tayo ng job. Understanding AFA helps us or allow us to appreciate the importance of agricultural and fisheries in building a productive and sustainable society. Thank you for watching and see you again on our next lesson.